I am Dr. Zaheer Abbas, the Dean of Faculty of Business and Commerce. We offer 7 undergraduate and 3 postgraduate programs in the field of business, economics, and commerce. Our curriculum combines theoretical knowledge with practical expertise through experiential learning, seminars, workshops, and artificial intelligence powered courses. We especially focus on entrepreneurship education so that our students can turn their innovative ideas into practical business ventures. We partner with the top tier international universities so that our students can participate in exchange programs to learn global dynamics of the business. At the Faculty of Business and Commerce, professors are dedicated to providing high quality education that prepares the students for success in the national and international markets. I welcome you to all at Faculty of Business and Commerce. Thank you very much.